In this video, we will discuss about question number 1, exercise 6.1. This exercise is based on lines and angles. We already studied introduction of lines and angle. So, how we will apply these rules in the exercise. Observe, what is the question? In figure, lines AB and CD intersect at O. Observe, once you understand, then there will be no problem. What is the given? Line AB and CD intersect at O. Two lines we are having. AB, one is what? AB, other one is what? CD. Lines AB and CD intersect. AB and CD are intersecting where? Are intersecting at O. Two lines AB and CD are intersecting at point O. It is given in the questions. Clear? Or we studied intersecting line. It means what? Intersecting lines are having common point. Once they intersect, we are getting common point. Clear? So, what is lines AB and CD intersect at O? It is given in the question. It means AB and CD are what? Two intersecting lines. Clear? If angle AOC plus angle BOE, what is this angle? Angle AOC, it means this angle. Observe, angle AOC plus angle BOE, this angle. Sum of both angle. Observe, angle AOC. What is this one? Angle AOC plus BOE. AOC plus BOE. Sum of both angles is what? 70 degree. This and this angles sum will be what? 70 degree. It is given in the question. And one thing is also there. Angle BOD. Where is the BOD? BOD. This angle. Observe. This angle we are having. So, it is easy. Once you observe given data and concept we studied already. What concept we studied? Only two main concepts we will use in this exercise. That one is linear pair of angles. Number one, linear pair of angles. And number two, vertically opposite angles. When we are getting vertically opposite angles, once two lines intersect, once two lines intersect, then we are getting what? Vertically opposite angles, and they are what? Equal. Vertically opposite angles, once two lines intersecting we are getting, and they will be what? Equal. Observe, that concept we will use there. Observe both concepts. One is vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles will be equal once we are intersecting. Once two lines are intersecting, then we are getting vertically opposite angles and they will be equal. Another one is what? Linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. Clear? How we are getting linear pair of the angles? Once one ray stands on a straight line, we are getting angles, and sum of these angles will be what? 180 degree. This is what? Linear pair of angles. Easy concept. Observe. So, what will be its solution? Observe carefully. These geometry topics are so simple. Once you are having concept, your concepts are clear, then you are easily to prove. So, observe first solution I am writing. What will be the solution? First we should observe given data. What we are having in these questions? Observe two things we are having. Mainly we are having two things. Before this we are having AB and CD intersect at O. This AB and CD are intersecting line and they are intersecting at a point O. Clear? Next thing we are having this one. Angle AOC. So first I am writing given data. So we should mention given. What we are having? Given angle. What angle we are having? Angle AOC. AOC. It means this angle. This angle. Clear? AOC plus angle. I am doing rough this one. This angle AOC plus angle. What angle? BOE. BOE. Where is the BOE? BOE. This angle. Sum is what? 70 degree. It is given in the question. Clear? Other thing we are having what? Angle BOD equal to 40 degree. What? BOD. I am using different pen. Where is the BOD? This angle BOD. It means this angle. This is given in the question. This is what? 40 degree. Clear? This is 40 degree. We studied once two lines intersecting, we are getting vertically opposite angles and they will be what? Equal. Observe. AB and CD both are what? Intersecting line. They are intersecting at O. But this angle we are having. Observe. What lines we are having? We are having these types of the lines. This is what? This is A, B, and this is what? C, and this is D. Clear? I am redrawing. Given what we are having? AB and CD. AB and CD intersect O. AB and CD intersecting at point O. Clear? In the question, this is given in the questions already, given in the language of the question, and also we are given what? BOD is 40 degree. BOD. This is what? B. This is 40 degree we are having. So we studied vertically opposite lines. Once two lines are intersecting, we are getting vertically opposite line. So for these two intersecting line, its vertically opposite angle, vertically opposite angles will be what? Its vertically opposite angle is this one. Yes or no? What is meaning? And another vertically opposite angles pair is what? What? This I am drawing big so you can easily to understand. This angle and this angle. This is the X and this is the Y. One pair, two pairs we are having once we are intersecting two lines, then two lines are intersecting at point O. We are getting two pairs. One is this and this one, and this one. Will be what? Once two lines are intersecting, vertically opposite angles will be what? Equal. Vertically opposite angles. So what we can say? Angle AOC will be equal to angle BOD. Yes or no? AOC, this angle will be equal to this one. Why? Because two lines are intersecting, and once two lines intersecting, then we are getting vertically opposite angles and they will be what? Equal. And another pair is what? Angle BO, this angle X will be equal to angle Y. Yes or no? We are getting two pairs vertically opposite angles. This will be equal to this one and this will be equal to this one. So what we will write? We are having these things, and BOD is 40 degree. Angle, I am writing there, what we should write, angle BOD equal to angle AOC. Why? Because vertically opposite angle. I hope you understand these things. So angle BOD equal to angle AOC. And why? Because vertically opposite angle. Both are what? Vertically opposite angles. Both are what? Vertically opposite angles. Clear? So angle BOD is what? 40 degree. So automatically what we can say? This is 40 degree implies angle BOD is 40 degree. So AOC will be what? 40 degree. Angle AOC. So angle AOC is what? 40 degree. AOC, this will be what? 40 degree. And how we are getting this one is 40 degree? It is vertically opposite angle. Clear? Now one thing we are having, I am writing, I am putting this is as a equation number 1. Clear? It is given in the question, sum of angle AOC plus angle BOC will be what? 70 degree. It is given from equation 1. What we can write? Angle AOC is what? 40 degree. 40 degree plus angle BOE. Why? Because we want angle BOE. We want to find what? Angle BOE. So we obtained angle AOC is 40 degree. Why this one is the 40? Because we are having BOD equal to 40 degree and its opposite angle is angle AOC. So AOC will be what? 40 degree. Now this value we are putting given data. This equation we are having. So 40 degree plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree. Now solve this one. Then what we are getting? This will be transposed towards the right. So angle BOE will be what? 70 degree minus 40 degree. What we are getting? 70 minus 40 will be what? 30. So angle BOE equal to what? 30 degree. So one result we obtain. This result. Angle BOE is what? BOE. It means this angle. And this angle will be what? This angle will be what? 30 degree we obtained. So this is given. BOD we are having in the question. Its vertically opposite angle will be this one. This one will be what? Its vertically opposite angle. This 40. So this will be what? 40 degree. Now in the question we are having one relation. Angle AOC plus BOE equal to 7. So this is vertically opposite of this one. So AOC we obtained. We are putting this value there and solving, we getting BOE, and this one we want. Clear? This is first answer we obtain. Now we want reflex of angle COE. What is the meaning of the reflex angle? We studied already reflex angle, how we are getting any angle we are having, we want that angle's reflex, then we will subtract that angle from 360 degree. Any angle's reflex angle we can find. How we will find? We will subtract that angle from 360. 360 minus angle will be what? Reflex of that angle. So we want to find reflex of angle COE. Where is the COE? COE. We want the reflex of this angle. So how we will find its reflex? We want the reflex of this angle, COE. So first we obtained this angle and 360 minus of that angle will be what? It's the reflect angle. It means what? Remaining this angle will be what? Reflex of this one. This angle subtracted from 360, then we are getting this one, and this one is what? Reflex of that one. Clear? So first our task to find angle COE. What is the first task? First we want to find the angle COE. Till what we completed, till we obtained BOE. And how we are getting this one? Where is the BOE? This is the BOE. This angle BOE, this is the BOE. And how this one we are getting? First, one thing we are having in the question, this angle we are having this angle, it means its vertically opposite angle will be this one, and with this value, this one will be equal to this one. So we are putting this angle in the given relation, solving, we are getting BOE. Simple task. So till we use vertically opposite angle concept. Till what concept we used? Vertically opposite angles. Clear? Vertically opposite angles concept. But now this angle we are having, observe, say AOC is what? Vertically of this one, this will be 40 degree, this is 40 degree, it means this will be 40 degree, and this we obtain from the given relation BOE. What BOE is the 30 degree. Clear? We obtain BOE is what? 30 degree. Now our task to find this, then its reflex we can find easily. Once we know this angle, and then it's 360 minus of that angle will be what? Reflex of this angle. So observe. Now how we will obtain angle COE? Angle COE. Our task to find this one. Observe. This is the straight line. This is what? Straight line. One ray is OC, another ray is what? OE. Two rays, OC and OE, both are standing where? On the straight line. Rays standing on the straight line, then they are making what? Linear pair of angles. Clear? So we can say, and what is the concept of linear pair of angles? Sum of all angles, sum of all adjacent angles will be what? 180 degree. This is the straight line, and its complete angle of straight line, what? Straight line complete angle is the 360, but at the straight line what is the angle? At the point, how we are getting the straight line? It means its angle will be what? 180 degree. So this is what? 180 degree. And 180 degree, how we will obtain? Sum of these angles. This plus this plus this. All three angles sum will be what? 180. And this is what? Linear pair axiom, or we can say linear pair of angles. Clear? So what we can say in the next step, we can say what? We obtain one result, but we want to obtain this one. So first we should calculate this one. How we will calculate this one? By using linear pair of angles. It means what? This point we are having three angles, this one, and this one. And sum of these all will be what? Straight line angle, 180 degree. So we can say angle AOC plus angle COE. Observe, COE plus angle what? Angle BOE. And sum of these three angles will be what? 180 degree. Why? Because they all are at straight line. Clear? And these are what? Linear pair. What is this one? Linear pair of angles. These are what? Linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. We studied this concept, linear pair of angles. What is this one? Sum of all angles at a straight line will be what? 180 degree. Clear? So sum of all angles on a straight lines will be what? 180 degree. So this is linear pair of angles. Now given data we will put there. AOC is what? AOC is 40 degree plus angle COE we want. COE we want. It is required. So will be put as it is plus BOE. BOE is what? BOE. It is what? 30 degree. And all will be equal to what? 180 degree. Solve. 40 plus 30 will be 70. Angle COE plus 70 degree equal to 180 degree. Solve this one. Angle COE will be what? 180 minus 70 degree. What we are getting? Once we solve this one, what we are having? Angle COE will be what? 110 degree. Clear? We obtain angle COE. But we don't want angle COE. We want its reflex. So reflex angle COE will be what? 360 minus angle COE. So 360 degree minus 110 degree. Solve this one. 0, 6 minus 1 will be 5. 3 minus 1 will be what? 250. So 250 degree will be the reflex of angle COE. Easy question. Only two concepts. One is vertically opposite angle. Once two lines intersecting, we are getting equal vertically opposite angles. Clear? Two lines are intersecting, vertically opposite angles will be equal. From that concept, AB and CD are vertically what? Intersecting line. So vertically opposite angles. BOD is given in the question. This will be equal to this one. First, and we obtain this one. It means AOC will be 40 degree. We want BOE, but given relation we are having AOC plus BOE. We are putting AOC. This value there. Solving, we are getting BOE. First answer we obtain. Now second concept we studied. Linear pair of angles. Angles on a straight line. All the angles on the straight line will be what? 180 degree. So this is a straight line. We are having three angles and some of these angles will be what? 180 degree. That is what? Linear pair of angles. We are having two angles. We want its reflection. So first we will find this one. So this will be, we are calculating 110 degree. And its reflex will be what? 360 minus of that angle. We are getting 250 degree. I hope you understand these all things. If you are having any problem, confusion, you should revise introduction class, then observe this question. 100% you will understand this question. Thank you so much.